The men's shed is not only woodwork, they have other things. There are so many activities they can choose from.
We come to the shed to interact. It's just a wonderful support mechanism for all involved.
If you want to just sit and chat and talk about old times, there's a group for that.
When you bring up one subject, they talk about something else and then come back to the same subject. So it's a big merry-go-round.
If you like cooking and eating, there's a group for that.
Like today we had bacon and egg sandwich day, which is a popular event. The billiard table here gets used regularly.
There's even a group who goes bicycle riding.
We've had lectures on heart disease. Someone come in and teach us how to make sausages, gardening, how to prune.
What I get out of gardening is the pleasure of growing and actually taking some of that produce home and cooking it for my wife and myself.
I think the men's shed's a bit of a sanctuary. Once you come through the door, it's just you. Come and try it.